Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over how to spot fake viruses or fake malware in your web browser. Before I begin, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if it's helped you at all, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So before I begin, I just wanted to show my face, something new that I'm starting. Instead of talking over my videos, I think it'd be more personable if I just show my face and kind of show you guys what I look like, so you have an idea. So let's just begin. Fake viruses. So what do I mean by fake viruses on your web browser? So say if you're on the web and you're searching and you're jumping from site to site, and all of a sudden you see pop-ups of call this number or call that number, enter your credit card information to remove this virus, and pay for this software. And it's just all these things are hitting you at once. And another thing is you may get, if your volume is up, you may hear all these sirens, almost like cops are coming to your house. And these pop-ups and these sirens, they look and they sound legit. But I got to tell you, they're all fake. All these pop-ups on these websites that tell you to call a number to remove a virus, quote-unquote virus, it's all fake. And I'm going to show you examples of what I mean. So I'm going to jump in, and I have a couple pictures saved of what I'm talking about. So you may see something like this when you're searching, like if you're jumping from website to website. It says, warning, your computer may be infected, system detected, malicious viruses, rootkit. To remove viruses, call tech support now. And it gives you this 1-800 number. And if you call this number, you're talking to people from overseas who just want your credit card information, who just want you to go buy gift cards to remove this virus. So like these ads on your computer, on your web browser, they're all fake. I'm going to show you another example. Something like this. This random pop-up window comes up and it wants you to call technical support. Well, what technical support are you calling exactly? It doesn't even tell you what this 1-800 number is to. It just says, your computer is infected, call a support number to protect your files. Okay, but who am I calling exactly? And this looks absolutely legit. I mean, it's a Google security warning, but this is all fake. I'll show you one more example. See this? It says Windows virus warning, identity theft and hacking possibilities. Again, call this 1-800 number. But who are you calling? Your computer has been locked. Microsoft Windows detected virus attack on your computer. Contact security support. So if you see any of these on your computer, when you're searching the web, or when you're just browsing the web rather, just know that most of these are fake. Well, not most, all of them are fake. They won't just come up, they won't just pop up and tell you to call a 1-800 number. So first thing you want to do is, if you see these guys, if you see any of these windows, immediately see if you can close out of your web browser. Just shut it down, close it out. If for some reason you can't close your web browser, I know sometimes these pop-ups stop you from doing that, or sometimes if you try to click off of them, these messages like this will just keep popping up. If you can't do that, if you can't close your web browser, I want you to shut down your computer entirely. Push in the power button, hold it in, and it'll shut down. Once that's good to go, turn it back on, log in as normal, and I want you to run a virus scan just in case, just to play it safe. I know you may not find anything because, again, these websites, or these pop-ups rather, they want you to call the number so they can steal your information, they can remote into your computer, and that's when they actually grab your private information. So if you see those pop-ups and you can't get out of them, shut down your computer, restart, and I want you to type in right here, type here to search Windows Security, and click on the first one. Then from here, go to Virus and Threat Protection. I want you to do a scan options right here and do a full scan. And then hit scan now. And it's going to scan your whole computer just as a precaution. It may not find anything, which is a good thing, but it's always better to play it safe than sorry. I just want to keep you guys safe. I know a lot of people, they fall for this trap because they think it's real and they think if they call the number, they can get the quote-unquote virus removed. But it's all just BS. It's all garbage. Usually, and it's sad to say, who tend to fall for this is just naive people and the older people. The people who want you to fall for this, they want older people to fall for it, which is a shame because people that prey on older people, it's crazy. So I just hope this video helps you, and I want you to share it for as many people as you know. Comment down below if this has affected you in any way, or maybe if it's helped you now realize that these pop-ups are fake, and just you got to be safe on the web and just watch out for things like that. So if this video has helped you guys, give it a like, comment down below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I just hit 50 subscribers, and I'm absolutely blown away about it. So I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys on the next video.